Such thin nails typically need strengthening, as a regular base coat is not sufficient. In fact, it may even cause more damage. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. I'm from Ukraine and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find everything about nails and a little bit about me. To make nails stronger, I use gel. Next, I'm sharing these tips to make the coating last long and without lifting. The first step is preparing the nail surface. Cleanse and engrave the natural nail surface. Apply a base coat with a rubbing technique over the entire nail and cure under the lamp for 60 seconds, then remove any dispersion. Thickness. So this second step is applying the gel around the perimeter. To do this, I use border liquid. Load a small amount of gel onto your brush. Spread the gel evenly along the entire perimeter of the nail, avoiding the cuticle area. Do not cure at this stage. The next step is the central application and distribution. Take one drop of gel and place it in the center of the nail. Gently distribute it with the brush without applying pressure. Use a fine brush to assist in smooth spreading and create a thin layer at the free edge, ensuring the formation of a natural shine. Catch light. After that, we go on to the first step. Its polymerization. Cure the nail under the lamp for 90 seconds. High pigmented gel materials may require additional curing time to ensure complete drying. And the last important step is the removing thickness and refine. Eliminate any remaining tacky layer. Then lightly file the gel to refine the shape and reduce the length slightly. After opening the thickness, file at least 1 mm of the natural nail from the underside using a reverse action drill to minimize the risk of lifting. But you should remember that the gel strengthening technique is not suitable for clients whose nails do not have a free edge. After following all these steps, we get strong nails that can be covered with a top coat. I share more details about nails in my nail book. You'll find all the details in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next videos.